Let us go with the problem number 14, right? Yeah. Right, yeah. A motorist covers a certain distance at an average speed of 48 km in 45 minutes. Right. What speed in kilometer per hour he must maintain to cover the same distance in 30 minutes? So let us check out the distance which is going to cover in 45 minutes. That is time as they have given time. Time is 45 minutes. Correct. Then the speed they have given is 48 km per hour, right? 48 km per hour. Speed also they have given here. Speed is 48 km per hour. Right. Now what we need to find, what speed in kilometer per hour he must maintain to cover the same distance in 30 minutes. Now the same distance he must cover in 30 minutes. So what will be the speed? We need to find the speed for this one. Right, let us check out with here. Let me find the distance here. Distance is equal to speed into time, right? Speed into time. What is the speed now? Here speed is 48 km per hour into time is 45 minutes. But we must convert it into hour, so that's what I am going to divide by 60. Right, now what happens? 12 4s are, right, 12 5s are. Right, now this will becomes 4 into 45 divided by 5. Now again I will divide 5 1s are 5 9s are. This will become 36 kilometer. Right. Now the distance we got now, we know the time also. Now we need to find speed. So to find speed, you know, speed is equal to distance by time. Correct. What is the distance? Distance is 36. Time is, they have given 30 minutes, that we must divide by 60 because we need to convert it into hours. This will become 36 into 60 by 30. Why? The denominator of the denominator will go to the numerator, right? Now 0 0 I'll cancel, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 36 2s are, 72 km per hour. You should increase the speed to 72 km, then you can cover, that is 36 km within 30 minutes. The answer here is 72 km per hour.